It's not over until the fat lady sings. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. It's not over until the fat lady sings. This means that until the last note is sung, the game is not yet decided. This powerful proverb can be applied to all areas of our lives. Whether it's facing a difficult challenge at work, overcoming a personal obstacle, or striving for success, we must keep going until the very end. By doing so, we can attract good fortune and manifest our desired outcomes. When the going gets tough, remember that it's not over until the fat lady sings. Keep pushing through and don't give up. Anything is possible if we have the determination and perseverance to see it through to the end. So, stay focused and keep working towards your goals. Remember, it's not over until the fat lady sings. It's important to acknowledge that sometimes, despite our best efforts, things may not turn out the way we want them to. However, this doesn't mean that we should give up altogether. Instead, we should look at these moments as opportunities to learn and grow. By reflecting on our failures and setbacks, we can gain valuable insights that will help us to do better next time. So, even if the fat lady has already sung, it's never too late to try again. Keep moving forward and never lose sight of your dreams. Remember, it's not over until the fat lady sings. It's not over until the fat lady sings. And sometimes, the ending isn't quite what we expect, but that doesn't mean we should give up on our goals and dreams. Even when we encounter obstacles and setbacks, we must keep moving forward with determination and perseverance. Success may take time and effort, but with patience and hard work, we can make our dreams a reality. So, don't let the fear of failure hold you back. Take risks, learn from your mistakes, and keep singing until the final. Remember, it's not over until the fat lady sings. It's not over until the fat lady sings. And when she finally does, the feeling of accomplishment is indescribable. All the hard work, determination, and perseverance have paid off. You have overcome the obstacles, pushed through the difficult moments, and reached your goal. Whether it's a promotion at work, completing a project, or finally achieving a personal milestone, the satisfaction is unparalleled. So, don't give up on your dreams and goals. Keep pushing through until the very end. And when the fat lady finally sings, you will know that it was all worth it. Remember, it's not over until the fat lady sings. Result: it's not over until the fat lady sings. And with this mindset, we can achieve great things. By persevering through challenges and setbacks, we can attract good fortune and manifest our desired outcomes. The key is to keep pushing through until the very end, even when the odds seem against us. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.